Hey traders, Parker here. Just a demonstration of the VPA bundle. As you can see, I don't have everything on here, but I do have the main one is the volume pressure map. As you can see right here, this is the pre-market action. So pre-market buying pressure is cyan. Pre-market selling pressure is this magenta color. And if you look right here, this is the stock drug. It pushed up on heavy buying volume right here. You can see that with these white ultra high candles right here. And then you had this ultra high selling candle, and it created this selling pressure right here. And you can look right here, it tried to push this stock down, and these red dots are the yesterday's high for drug. And you can see right here this long wick right here. And you really don't have any closing candles below this this selling pressure candle right here. But this long wick right here and this triangle is an irregular body. So it's showing you it's a small body on a huge amount of, on a big volume. Same situation here. This is an indecision high wave candle. Well, I'm going to just say it's a doji. It's not a high wave because the body would have to be bigger. But for the most part, it's a indecision candle. And then you have this next candle, same situation. It still has high volume on it, according to my indicator down here, according to the volume and the the irregular bodies. So it tried to push it down, but it couldn't. And you can look right here. This area acted as support. And you can see right here, these other irregular bodies right here, they're all small bodies compared to these previous bodies, but they have a huge amount of volume on them. And right now, the stock is trying to break back above this area of resistance with this buying candle right here. So this is one of the ways that you would use this indicator in the pre-market. And even after hours, you can see from the previous time period or day, this bright green right here was the all the buying from the day period, the highest buying pressure from the day, and this dark red was all the was the highest selling pressure for the day. So if I separate the actual indicator or separate the indicator by going here and cutting off the pre-market and the after hours cloud, we can see that stuff for the day. Just give it a second to reassess. So you can see these clouds. These are the market open clouds for the buying and selling pressure. And you can see right here, once it dropped below that, it couldn't really get back in that area, and it finally did on ultra high volume. So let's switch it back to the pre-market and after hours. So I'm going to hide the open, and I'm just going to do the pre-market and after hours. So we're looking at our pre-market, and this is the pre-market from yesterday, and this is our after hours trading. You can see this was the highest, let me make sure. No, this was the highest buying pressure for after hours. And you can see right here, this was the previous buying pressure for the after hours. And this was generally the highest selling pressure for after hours right here. And you can see the stock trading within that area pre-market. And it finally broke above. I don't know the reason why it did, but it finally broke above. And you see where the pre-market started on these candles right here. And you can see with this, it's creating a squeeze in this area. And this is what you don't want. You don't want to see these irregular bodies at these support and resistance levels, or in this small uptrend on this 5 minute. And this other indicator I have on here is just my daily levels. And it's giving me my previous day high. This purple line is the previous day close. You have your after hours high, after hours low as well. And then you have your previous day low, and this is my pre-market low down here, and this is my pre-market high. So I have everything from the previous day, or not necessarily everything, but all these bubbles for the previous day in the back of the stock, and anything that's pre-market or on the day will be in the forefront of the stock. And you see these are the levels that you want to look out for. And you can see right here also with the updated version of the buy sell pressure momentum oscillator, you can see it had this huge push up, a little small slump, and then another push, and then now it created this area of divergence. And you see how buying volume is slowing down in it or going down, and selling volume is probably picking up. But this is a short video. I just wanted to show you a demonstration on how to use this indicator, and this is real time. So, and I wish you all the best. Stay safe out there. If you haven't already, please like and subscribe, and just look out for my daily videos. I wish you the best. God bless.